One of the most difficult parts of any project is cutting the materials to length accurately. Introducing the Bora Quick Cut, the fastest way to make angle cuts using your circular saw. This circular saw accessory simplifies making 90, 60, 45, and 22.5 degree cuts, all with one easy tool, saving you time and money on your projects. With its 16-inch aluminum guide ruler and 4 preset angles, it gives you significantly more cutting guide length and flexibility than most traditional cutting guides. These and other unique features allow you to get professional-looking results on almost any project. With the Bora Quick Cut, you can make repeatable, accurate cuts, giving you the confidence to tackle any project you can dream of. Setting up your quick cut is easy. Simply utilize the guide arm on a test cut to determine your base to blade distance. That's it. Now it's time to start your project. One of the more popular projects to tackle is the creation of an outdoor planter box. Check out how easy this project can become using the Bora Quick Cut. It's that simple. Now all the pieces fit snugly together, and you're ready to beautify your outdoor space. To download the project plans or learn more about the Bora Quick Cut, visit boratool.com.